Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Xuv700 head unit firmware supports Apple CarPlay. This matters because older software blocks pairing. Once done, enable CarPlay in the vehicle settings and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. CarPlay needs both. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB-A or USB-C CarPlay port if using wired CarPlay, or prepare wireless by keeping the phone unlocked and nearby. Make sure the car is stationary with ignition on so the system accepts new devices. Now pair the phone through the Xuv700 infotainment. Open the phone or connectivity menu and choose Add Phone or Apple CarPlay. When your iPhone appears, tap it to connect and accept the Bluetooth pairing code. This establishes the initial link. On the iPhone, tap Trust and Allow to grant CarPlay permissions and show notifications if asked. If you're using a cable, use a high-quality Lightning lead. If wireless, wait for the Wi-Fi handshake and confirm the device is set as CarPlay in the infotainment list. Finish by confirming the CarPlay home screen shows on the Xuv700 and TestCore apps, maps for navigation, music for audio routing, and phone for calls. If CarPlay doesn't appear, unplug and replug the cable or try a different certified cable. For wireless, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and reboot both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings on the iPhone if pairing repeatedly fails, and make sure the vehicle firmware is up to date before contacting dealer support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.